Google has recently released Little Language Lessons, which claims to do the same job as Duolingo and other apps that allow people to learn languages. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and Google has assured us that this is just an early stage experiment, although its intent is to help people learn languages. The tool uses generative AI, and of course, you should always check the outputs from any form of generative AI. So we're going to dive right into this here. We're going to go into the tiny lessons. I'm going to say I want to learn, let's go with Spanish. And I'm going to say go on holiday. Okay, I already like this because it's actually giving us the purpose. It's giving us a place where we can include a purpose or theme for our visit. So let's say Latin American Spanish for go holiday. Okay, cool. Let's just say, we just get rid of that. So for a holiday, let's go with that. Cool, sweet. So I already kind of saw some words being created there. I saw el viaje, which I believe means a trip, but as you can see, vocabulary, phrases and tips are now being populated. And yeah, let's see exactly what this gives us. So we've got la festividad. Okay, cool. El día festivo, interesting. Las vacaciones, la celebración, la fiesta. We can also play these out loud and hear what they actually should sound like. Okay, cool. I'm not sure if you guys would have been able to hear that, but I could hear that nice and clearly. So I'm just going to click see more. We've got some other interesting tools like la familia, los amigos, las amigas, la bebida. Cool, great stuff. So those are the vocabulary words that we could use. And here we've got some phrases as well. So felices fiestas. Okay, feliz año nuevo. Happy New Year. Cool. We've also got some more extensive sort of questions and phrases like ¿Cuáles son tus planes para el día festivo? Interesting. So what are your plans for the holiday? Very nice. So this can be something, of course, that I hear whenever, let's say, I land in a Latin American country and I'm about to speak Spanish. So I think this can be a great tool for anyone who's going to be in let's say is going to be traveling abroad to another country that has a language that they don't speak, but they would just like to.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
To show a bit of respect to the culture and just learn a few phrases and words. So this can be very useful, perhaps not necessarily as a standalone or perhaps as a standalone as well, but it can definitely just help to bolster the understanding one has of a particular language for a specific purpose of their trip. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.